All right there, boys and girls. Look what that Patty did now. They were right about him being full of mischief, huh? He turned the whole booklet around. Look at that. Here's the top normally. He changed all the problems, that little rascal. Well, let's start here. Let's look at number 1. Write the next 3 even numbers. So we're starting at 98. So 99 would be odd, which leaves 100. 101 would be odd, so 102. 103 is odd, 104. There you go. 100, 102, 104. Even numbers. Now, of course, they're going to ask for odd next, right? Okay, 17, just skip one. 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. See how we just skip a number? So odds and evens. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are evens. Okay. Daisy's basketball team bought matching socks. Each pair costs $4. There are 12 girls on the team. How much money did they spend in all? So each pair of socks costs $4, and there are 12 girls. Okay? So we kind of want to do whatever 12 times 4 is, right? That could also be 6 times 8. Okay, so 12 girls, $4 for each girl. So you have 12, 24, 36, 48, if we count by 12s, right? Notice when I did that, I took half of the 12 and I doubled the 4 to make it more manageable. Same thing, same answer. So let's look down here. It says, shade 1 leaf of this 4-leaf clover. Okay? All right. Shade 1 leaf of this 4-leaf clover. What fraction is not shaded? Well, there's 3 pieces over a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3/4 of this is not shaded. Okay. Last problem here. It says, draw 2 shapes that have the same perimeter. Okay. Let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 5 plus 5 is 10, so we need to have 26, okay? 26 perimeter. Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Would that be okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now we have 9 and 9 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's 26. That would give us the same amount, right? So if I went like that. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8. 18 plus 8 is 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this time 8 plus 8 is 16. 5 plus 5 is 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. So the perimeter is 26 for both of them. That's how many steps around, right? Okay, now do the shapes have the same area? Ooh, so this here is 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Good. This one here was 4 times 9. 4 times 9. is 36. Do they have the same area? No, they do not. Maybe you did it and they do have the same area. There are ways to do that, right? But not my problem. Not this problem, I should say. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for day 16. Hopefully get this map situated and get it turned around again, right? All right, see you tomorrow.